Dear viewers, Namaskar. In the view of prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, 22 executives of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, elevated to the post of Deputy General Managers. And Board of RSP employee obtains doctorate degree from NIT Rourkela. Now the news in detail. The 22 executives of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant who have been elevated to the post of Deputy General Managers were presented with the promotion orders and functions organized at the offices of Executive Directors on 18 July 2021. In a function organized at ED Works office, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, and Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operations, handed over the promotion orders to 9 executives of the works area. Similar programs were organized at the Raw Material Division Office of RSP, Projects Office, Personnel and Administration Office, Ispat General Hospital and Finance Department, where Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED PNA, Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in charge Medical and Health Services, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM in charge FNA, presented the orders to the concerned executives. Extending heartiest congratulations to the executives on the elevation, the EDs and the HODs called upon the new DGMs to work towards propelling the plant towards greater heights by improving the communication and work culture, strengthening the safety net and optimizing performance and efficiency. The newly promoted DGMs thanked the management for recognizing their efforts and assured that they would make every possible effort to better the performance of the steel plant. The events were coordinated by Mr. Somdat Tripathi, Manager Personnel OD, under the guidance of Mr. R.K. Verma, GM Personnel OD. Dr. Abhishek Parida, son of Mrs. Sukanti Lata Parida and Mr. Ravi Narayan Parida, Master Technician CPP 1, obtained his doctorate in electrical engineering from National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. The subject of his thesis was adaptive filtering and control algorithms for grid integration and photovoltaic system. The thesis was completed under the supervision and guidance of Professor Vidyadhar Subudhi, School of Electrical Science, Indian Institute of Technology, Goa, and Professor Pravat Kumar Ray, Department of Electrical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. The thesis was highly appreciated by external examiner Professor S.P. Singh from IIT Roorkee. Dr. Abhishek Parida completed his class 10 in 2004 and 12 in 2006 from Ispat English Medium School, Sector 20, with 84.17% and 81.8% respectively, B.Tech EEE from Padmanabha College of Engineering and M.Tech from NIT Rourkela. Dr. Parida worked as a lecturer in C.V. Raman Engineering College, BBSR, in 2012 and thereafter as assistant professor in ITR SOA University, BBSR, from 2012 to 2015. Dr. Parida has also published a number of research papers in prestigious publications. PR News Desk spoke to Dr. Parida regarding his achievement. We bring you the excerpts of the interview.
Hello, I am Abhishek Parida. I have completed my schooling from Ispat English Medium School, Sector 20. After that, I did my B.Tech from Padmanabha College of Engineering. And after that, I cleared GATE and went for M.Tech at NIT Rourkela, where I was awarded with the Institute Silver Medal. And after that, I went for job and I was posted as assistant professor at Institute of Technical Education and Research, SOA University. After that, I came for my PhD at NIT Rourkela and I completed my PhD on June 30th, 2021. And I would like to thank my parents for all the blessings that they have given me. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Calculus Steel Plant, which has provided me all these benefits with which I am like what I am today. Thank you.
That's all for the news today. Namaskar.